AI agents are here and they save smart people hours a day. And it's your turn. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 AI agents you can start using now. Starting with 5, which is Gemini Live. If you head to Google AI Studio and go to stream, now you can share with an AI your screen or webcam. Let's say I need help with an Excel sheet that I'm working on, but I don't know how to, let's say, create a new sheet. So all I need to do is ask Gemini to help me. So it will see my screen and guide me step by step. This is just a normal and very simple example, but you can go deeper and more advanced with it. Hint, you can also do that with ChatGPT, because if you head to ChatGPT and start an advanced voice, you can also share the screen and maybe your camera. But Gemini is free, so I think it will be good enough to share it and start with it. Number 4 is GensPark, and this agent saves me a lot of time. So I have an AI news podcast weekly where I share the latest AI news with my audience. So in order to prepare for the script, I go between multiple resources, Google, X, researching very long articles and many more. So GensPark here can take over and do the research for me. All I need to do is ask it for the AI news of this week, and it will do its magic. It will research the web and it will come up with a dashboard that I can read or even present in front of the camera. And you can customize this for your use case. Number 3 is WindSurf. You've probably heard of vibe coding. WindSurf is one of the most amazing tools related to vibe coding. If you have an app idea, you can go to AI, ask it to build it for you. But honestly, it's not as easy as it sounds, because you might need some basics like prompt engineering, knowing some stuff about system design, I would say, to make WindSurf get something that you can actually publish or use. I personally made many projects vibe coding with WindSurf, including one that I launched as open source where you can use it right now if you want, which is Click Sura. A few tips here, because I don't want to leave you with just the tool name. To learn vibe coding well, you don't really need to learn much coding, but you need to learn the concepts. Also, watching other vibe coders build projects live is extremely useful. Vibe coding in 2025, I believe, is highly needed and very important skill no matter what you do in your life or your career. So I highly encourage you to invest some time and learn more about vibe coding. And WindSurf could be a great tool for you, but there are other alternatives as well. Now, number 4 could be very useful for planning your day. This is an AI agent that you can connect it to your Gmail, your Google Calendar, and it can prepare a to-do list in a very interactive way. All I need to do is go to Claude, give it access to my Gmail and Google Calendar, and give it a simple prompt. It will generate a to-do list for me that is interactive, where I can click when I'm done. I can even get some XP in a game-like manner, which is awesome. You can even do more if you connect the MCBs, but this is a bit advanced and we can talk about later, inshallah. Finally, number 1, which is my go-to for AI agents, which is Init. So Init is a very famous tool for automation, but they also have created this node, which is AI agent. Basically, you connect an AI model, you connect tools that you want, and there are a ton of tools here. Let me show you an AI agent that I use daily to manage my content and business. This agent I built to help me create new tasks, see what tasks I have for the day, sending emails to my team, reminding them of some work that we need to arrange, and so on. It saves me a lot of time, so instead of going to ClickUp, seeing what tasks I have, maybe create a new task, adding some details, then sending an email, I can do this all from Telegram or even through my Apple Watch. I made tutorials about this agent and how to build it, but in my Arabic channel. If you would like to see a tutorial in English here, just let me know in the comments. I will happily do it, inshallah. Thank you very much for watching the video up till the end. Let me know what you think of the content we produce here. We are just starting and we are happy to be here. So this is Hossamudin Hassan. Make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum. Peace.